Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to mirror joints. So as example I will create 4 joints. First you can press buttons and I will use the front view. You can press again, hold and right click in skeletons and you can click create joints. So I will create here for the simple joints like this. Okay. And the next, if you want to mirror these joints, you can press again space button, right click in skeletons, and you can use the mirror joint here. So I will use the dialog box, you can release at this point to show for the dialog box, mirror and join option. Now the next you can select the objects, the join objects, and in here I will use easy for the mirror across, and for mirror function use the behavior. So for search you can type underline I, and the second for replace you can set underline R. The next you can click mirror to mirror the selected joints. Okay, I will mirror again into the top here. So you can press space button, hold, right click in skeletons menu, click mirror joints and use this option dialog box, and I will use XZ plane. So we have the same. This is first I and replace with R. You can click mirror to mirror the selected joints. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to mirror joints.